Hey everyone, today I will share with you an extremely cool tool to optimize the posting of Reels on Instagram. This is an automatic Instagram Reels posting software, helping you save a lot of time. You just need to schedule. Everything from posting to managing the account is completely automated. Not only that, it also has a performance analysis feature, allowing you to track detailed views and interactions, helping you easily adjust the content to be more suitable. Before starting, you just need to select the content you want to post, then select the Instagram account you have added to the software. Each account will be in a separate Google Chrome. Then you set up the number of threads running the computer according to your configuration. It can be 8 to 10 threads or 20 threads depending on the machine. Then press start. Very simple, right? Then you can spend time doing other things. Instead of manually, we save a lot of time.